Hey guys, I know it's been a while and welcome back to the channel. So today we have another exciting video, so let's get started. In a bowl, add a cup of melted butter. Add 1/4 cup of carob powder. Cocoa powder also works. Stir and let it sit for 1 to 2 minutes. Add 1½ cups of all-purpose flour. Then add 1 cup of castor sugar. Granulated sugar also works. Add 4 teaspoons of baking powder. Then add in a teaspoon of salt. Then add 3/4 cup of milk. And then add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Pour the carob mixture into your bowl. Then mix everything together. If it's too chunky, use a hand blender. Next, add 1 cup of granulated sugar. Then spoon in some Nutella. Then add some hot water and mix. Then pour it in your batter. Then add your carob mixture to the bowl. Next, add some dark chocolate chunks or chocolate chips for a chocolatey taste. Preheat your oven to 190 degrees and bake for 25 minutes. This is optional, but if you'd like, you can add more dark chocolate chunks or chocolate chips. And then you're done! Thank you so much for watching!